Look at this beautiful girl. And look at those beautiful long locks. Probably been growing them since she was a young kid. That beautiful black hair. Now look at her. Oops, the wrong one again. There you go. This is her now, the poor girl. And I prefer this one. What was her crime? Her crime was to spend the night at a boy band's place, a member of Exile. So she's 20 years old, and I think old enough. She's an adult now, legally in Japan. And the crime was to spend the night with him. And it's in AKB's rules that you cannot date. But who says she was dating? She was just having sex. You know, not necessarily a date. Could just be like sex time. But anyway, so in Japan, when someone makes a mistake, usually this is done by men. And they shave their heads as a sign of contrition. Oh, I'm sorry if sales are down. My guarantor's staff, they did it when sales were down. All the office shaved their heads. And this girl, she's done the same thing, which is a shame, because if you look at her beautiful hair there, and she wants to stay in the group. She's very tearful, very apologetic. She doesn't want to be kicked out of the group. She's been demoted to a junior band, to a junior group within the system, just like in the Major League Baseball. She's been sent to the minor leagues, and then when she gets, I suppose, enough time spent down there, she'll come back into the group if she's lucky. But she's already 20, so maybe by the time she's 21, 22, she'll be too old in anyway. So poor girl, just following her instincts. Anyway, that's Japan. Bye-bye. Please look at we've got tons of videos about Japan, me singing, funny sketches, skits, impressions. Please have a look around. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. And subscribe and like. Cheers.